Phone repair business. Phone repair business. E easy, e hard. Just like every other business. Point one business when you go see to say the business e dey very easy to do. The business, if you just enter, you don't make money, you go comot. No business easy like that. No dey, e dey hard. Before you go see that kind of business, say once you enter, 2 minutes you don't make money, you don't comot. Before you know, they don't block am because not be business be that. It will be scam or another thing. So why you feel say if you just enter phone repair, 2 minutes you don't make money, you don't comot? No, now you still dey hard. Now why you go take time? Take your time. They take time, they take patience. You could develop interest to the do am. If not, you go quick run comot now. Days go come when you go meet hurdles when it be say, bro, you go even regret why you even come shop that day. You even regret why you even learn this business. But why they had so many people? Because they don't know say many ways dey to make money for phone repair. Many ways dey. One, you fit dey repair your phone normal. Challenges go come from phone repair. You sell accessories. Not depend on one source. You know the work, yes, but not depend on only one source. Sell accessories. Sell phone parts if you go fit. Very funny, phone parts are very cheap. Now the fixing na be problem. You go see charging ports 15 naira. Oh, you can't fix them now. Some people go even scatter your phone to fix that charging port of 15 naira. So it's not about. So if this one not work, you put body for this one. If this one not work, before you go know, you go see the one when go work for you now. You take time go learn the work, yes. So diversify. Don't let the money waste. Don't let your effort waste. Diversify. Too many things. Go market, buy battery wholesale. Begin sell batteries. Batteries get profit well. Profit dey battery well. No matter your location, battery must spoil. Fix am for people. Your profit go high. If you don't fit buy battery, buy earpiece, buy charger. The day when it be say customer go call, screen when you fix no work, you don't already pay. You know as the work they be, not be you produce the screen. Many a times you go don't fix screen, everything they work well. Only for customer go carry and reach house, bring and come back, say you not work well again. If you begin shout, you go begin shout. So many a times, instead of may you just did there, they allow them, they make noise for your shop. Seek for a dialogue. How you go be? As the customer, wetin you really want now? But you know, say this is not my fault. He go dey pay you, yes. But ask am wetin you want. What do you really want? Not let am linger. As they linger, your emotion they drain. And as they drain your emotion, you go dey feel yourself with regret. You go dey pain you. Say your hard work be like wetin don't go to the drain. So ask am wetin you want. Some go fit say change am for me. I not get money. You must change am for me. It's okay. So they come. Then if you come out, God they see our heart well. We went be phone technicians. God they see our heart well. If you comot, before you know, maybe you go just sell 2 charger. Inside the 2 charger, 5k profit fit come out. Use and join, buy the screen for am. Another day you fix the screen, profit go come out. You go market, you replace the charger. If you be say na battery you go sell. Another day work when contain screen or charging port or downboard go come out. You run am, use am cover up the hole. Na so the work be. No fit say e go easy o. No fit say e go easy. You dey do software, learn how to fix screen, learn how to do hardware. Combine both of them. Before you know, you don make ends meet.